Welcome to Unit 2 of our AI class. This week we'll be supplementing the videos from the Stanford AI class on problem solving with an activity in Java doing our own implementation of the A-star algorithm, which is used for pathfinding or problem solving. We want you to open up that and get that running. In this first video, we want you to get as far as getting the project up and running and a quick overview of it. So if you go to the week 2 unit, at the bottom you should see a link to the a-star-start.zip project. You can bring that into Eclipse. It's also linked under the assignment because your assignment's tied to this. Assignment 2 is. Let's just do a quick look at this A-star algorithm then. It has a number of files, and we'll start with the main controller. If I open that up, that's got our main program that'll run. This declares a map of type area map. And so if I look at the file for area map here, area map has a set of nodes, and this corresponds to our map of Duluth. So we've got a map of Duluth, and on top of that we've overlaid a set of nodes. We gave each node a number. So if I look here, St. Scholastica is in that part of Duluth and is number 1, and these are all the different roads. So most of the roads around here, Arrowhead Road, Rice Lake Road, Highway 53, have all been converted into routes. And so this data structure area map has all the nodes and their locations, XY coordinates and miles here, and also all the edges. So if we look at our map and we see from node 3 to node 7, there's a connection and it's of length 1.4 miles. In our data structure, I can find that from, let's see, 3 to 7, 1.4 miles. So our map has been encoded in this area map data structure, which the main controller has. And then in the main controller, we also define a starting node and an ending node. Here we're going from 1 to 11. So if we look at our map, 1 is at St. Scholastica, and I've just labeled that start. And 11 is over here by our mall, and that's our goal, is to get from St. Scholastica to the mall. If you bring in this project and you're on the main controller and you run it, you should be able to run the project. It should print off a whole bunch of stuff, but it should finally find the shortest path and list that here. Node 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11. So node 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11. That's the path it decides to take to the mall. It doesn't always find the shortest path yet. We'll be doing some corrections. In fact, right now it is probably finding the shortest path, but that's more by luck than anything. We'll look at some places where it doesn't and some problems it has, and then we'll have you fix those problems in the subsequent videos. So hopefully at the end of this video you've got your project up and running and you can actually run it as given, and then we'll look at changes later on in the next video.